How to add a debit card to your Amazon Prime Video account. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Amazon Prime Video and navigate to its website. After you're in the website, log into your account. Once you are logged in, head over to your account and settings page. In this page, you can see the set payment method option over here. Tap on it. Here you can set up your payment methods. So in order to add a debit card into your account, here you will need to provide your debit card informations. You can enter the account holder's name in the card, and right below that enter the card number. And below that, you need to provide the expiration date of your debit card. If you want to make this as your default payment, you can tap on this checkbox over here. You can review all your informations and make sure to provide the precise details. Once you are done, you can tap on this add your card option. And that's how you can successfully add a debit card into your Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.